You've seen them perched atop towering poles, braving the elements to keep our lights on. But have you ever wondered how linemen safely return to terra firma after their lofty labors? It's not as simple as sliding down a fireman's pole. It's unravel the intricate techniques these unsung heroes employ to descend from dizzying heights, ensuring they make it home safely after a job well done. Climbing techniques are the bread and butter of a lineman's ascent and descent. These skilled workers rely on a combination of specialized tools to navigate the vertical landscape of power poles. Climbing hooks, reminiscent of a bird's talons, grip the wooden poles firmly, allowing linemen to inch their way up and down with precision. Safety harnesses, their lifelines in the sky, provide a crucial tether to the structure. And when the situation calls for it, sturdy ladders offer a more traditional route back to solid ground. But in many cases, the modern lineman's best friend is the bucket truck. These insulated aerial lifts have revolutionized the way crews access hard torage areas. With the push of a lever, linemen can ascend to dizzying heights and, more importantly, return to earth with ease. The bucket's controlled movement eliminates much of the physical strain associated with climbing, allowing workers to conserve energy for the demanding tasks at hand. When it comes to managing heavy equipment or executing a controlled descent, rope and rigging systems play a starring role. Intricate networks of ropes and pulleys create mechanical advantages, allowing linemen to lower themselves or their tools with precision. These systems aren't just about convenience. They're a critical safety measure, ensuring that neither personnel nor equipment takes an unplanned express trip to the ground below. Speaking of safety, the gear these high-flying professionals don is a marvel of engineering. Fullerist systems stand ready to catch a lineman should the unthinkable occur. Body harnesses distribute the force of a potential fall across the strongest parts of the body, minimizing injury risk. And specialized belts, festooned with tools of the trade, keep essential equipment within arm's reach while allowing for hands-free movement during descent. But a lineman is never truly alone up there. On the ground, a dedicated support team stands vigilant, ready to assist at a moment's notice. These ground crews manage ropes, hand off equipment, and serve as an extra set of eyes and ears for their elevated colleagues. In an emergency, their role becomes even more critical, coordinating rescue efforts and ensuring a swift, safe return to Earth. Of course, all the gear in the world can't replace good old-fashioned know-how. That's why linemen undergo rigorous training and engage in regular practice drills. These exercises cover everything from routine descents to emergency scenarios, honing the skills needed to navigate any situation that might arise high above the ground. Through repetition and muscle memory, these techniques become second nature, allowing linemen to focus on the task at hand rather than worrying about the long way down. But what happens when things go sideways? When injury or equipment failure leaves a lineman stranded, specialized rescue methods kick into high gear. Teams train extensively for these worst-case scenarios, mastering techniques to quickly and safely extract their comrades from perilous positions. It's a testament to the brotherhood of the profession, the unwavering commitment to leaving no one behind, no matter how high the stakes. As we've seen, the descent from these towering structures is far more than a simple climb down. It's a carefully choreographed dance of technology, teamwork, and training. The next time you spot a lineman working high above, take a moment to appreciate not just the ascent, but the intricate process that brings them safely back to Earth. It's a reminder of the unseen challenges these dedicated professionals face every day, all to keep our world humming with electricity. So the next time your lights flicker on without a second thought, remember the linemen who braved the heights to make it happen. Their journey down is just as important as their climb up, and it's a testament to human ingenuity and determination. In the world of line work, what goes up must come down. And thanks to these incredible techniques, they do so safely, ready to tackle the next challenge that awaits them in the sky.